off the wash machine, the Candy wash machine, I'm going to put it on a clean initial first wash. So no clothes in there, no detergent, it's just to clean the drum and the pipes of any kind of residue, manufacturer residue, so it doesn't go on to my clothes when I do a first wash. So I'm going to choose the drum clean. It is 1 hour, but it's 90 degrees, so it gives it a nice wash. So let's get that going. So I'll give it a nice wash and be ready for its first clothes wash.